Good morning, students. So I am here with very easiest topic for you. The topic three forms of A to Z. As you all know, there are three forms: small cursive, capital cursive, and capital form. Okay, so we will revise that three forms of A to Z in this video. Let's start. You have already learned this all three forms in your previous classes, but I'm just rewind all this. What is this? This is A for apple. As you can see here, there are three boxes. First, capital, second is for capital cursive, and third is for small cursive letter. So, capital letter. How can we write A in capital letter? We can write A like this. In capital cursive, we will write A like this, and in small cursive, we will write A like this. This is a picture of ball, and we will write B like this in capital letter. In capital cursive, we will write B like this, and in small cursive, we will write B like this. This is the picture of cat. We will write cat in capital letter like this. In capital cursive, we will write C like this. And in small cursive, we will write C like this. This is the picture of dog. We will write D like this in capital letter. In capital cursive, we will write D like this. And in small cursive, we will write D like this. Take out your notebook and start writing with me. Okay, this is the picture of egg. In capital letter, we will write E like this. And in small capital cursive, we will write E like this. And in small cursive, we will write E like this. This is the picture of fish. We will write F like this in capital letter. In capital cursive and in small cursive. This is the picture of God. We will write G like this in capital cursive like this, and in small cursive like this. This is the picture of hat. We will write H like this in this capital cursive, small cursive. This is the picture of yummy ice cream. We will write I like this. In capital cursive, we will write like this, and small cursive like this. This is the picture of jug. We will write J in capital letter, in capital cursive, in small cursive. This is the picture of kite. We will write K in capital letter, in capital cursive, and in small cursive. This is the picture of ladder. Okay, this is the new word for you, ladder. We'll write L like this in capital letter, in capital cursive, in small cursive. Okay. This is the picture of mango. We'll write M like this in capital letter, in capital cursive, in small cursive. And this is the picture of nest. We'll write N in capital letter, capital cursive, small cursive. This is the picture of octopus. We'll write O in capital letter, in capital cursive, in small cursive. This is the picture of, what is this? This is the picture of your pencil. So we'll write P in capital cursive, in sorry, in capital letter, in capital cursive, and this is in capital small cursive. This is the picture of queen. We'll write Q in capital letter, capital cursive, small cursive. This is the picture of rat. We'll write R like this in box, this box like this, in the last box we'll write this. S for shoes. We'll write S like this in capital cursive we'll write S like this, and in small cursive we'll write S like this. And this is the picture of, yes, tomato. We'll write T in capital letter, in capital cursive, and in small cursive write T like this. What is this? This is U for umbrella. We'll write U like this in small capital letter, in capital cursive, and this is in small cursive. What is this? This is violin. Violin, we'll write V like this, in capital cursive we'll write like this, in small cursive we'll write like this. This is W for watch. In capital cursive we'll write watch like this, and small cursive we'll write like this. This is Xmas tree. So we'll write X like this, and small cursive we'll write X like this. This is yolk. We can find yolk inside egg. We'll write Y in capital letter, in capital cursive, in small cursive. This is Z for zip, our last alphabet of ABCD. We'll write Z in capital letter like this, in capital cursive like this, and in small cursive like this. Now students, I am giving you your homework exercise in which you have to write 3 words starts from small cursive, capital cursive, and capital letter. First I'll show as your example, like B. B in small capital letter we'll write B like this, and I'll write letter BAT, bat. In capital cursive we'll write B like this, and we'll write ball. 3 different words, okay? And in small cursive we'll write B like this, and I have write bun. Like this you have to do whole your this whole question. B for ball, I for ice cream, K for kite, Q for queen, S for sun, F for fish, G for gun, Z for zebra. And this is your second question in which you have to circle capital cursive letter. You can see in the half circle, semicircle, in this there are too many capital cursive letters. You have to just circle that letter and write down below. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.